Alright guys, I got a super quick and easy video for you. We're going to be drawing Pusheen as a mermaid in like a minute. So, we're just going to draw a circle, and then another circle, and then a mouth. Then we can draw 2 whiskers on each side. Triangle, straight line, triangle, curve down, and a little paw, curve, another paw, curve. That's the body. Now we're going to draw the mermaid tail. Alright, got a curve, then we're going to curve up. Pusheen has a really long mermaid tail, guys. Alright, here we go. Up again. Yes. Then we're going to draw this leaf shape, and we're going to draw it a second time. There we go. And then of course you could draw some fish scales, make it look more like a mermaid tail. But that is optional. And then from there you can color Pusheen. Pusheen's a gray tabby, and then we got a blue and pink mermaid tail, but you can color it however you'd like. Alright, awesome. Bye guys.